What if I told you our universe is more beautiful, more complex, and more mysterious than anything we've ever dreamed? Thanks to NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, we're not just looking at stars anymore. We're staring deep into the fabric of existence. This may look like cosmic art, but it's not. It's Herbig-Haro, 4647s, a pair of newborn stars wrapped in dust, launching massive jets of matter into space. What you're seeing is the violent, beautiful birth of suns. Meet NGC 2090, a spiral galaxy swirling through the constellation Columba. Its graceful arms are frozen mid-dance, telling stories of creation, destruction, and cosmic time. This isn't science fiction, this is real. Somewhere in Sagittarius, an ancient cluster floats in silence. It's called NGC 6440, and it's filled with stars that are older than Earth itself. You're not just looking at stars, you're looking at ancestors of the cosmos. Far beyond our galactic neighborhood lies a quiet giant, Digel Cloud, 2S, one of the farthest places we've ever seen in our own Milky Way. And yet, Webb saw it, clear as day. Ever seen a galaxy wear a hat? That's the Sombrero Galaxy. But don't let the charm fool you. Beneath that beautiful ring lies billions of stars, aging, dying, rebirthing. Located 120 million light-years away, NGC 3256 is the result of two galaxies crashing into each other. The scars are still there: tidal tails, starbursts, chaos, and beauty. Westerlund 1 is a monster. A supercluster of red giants and supergiants, burning hot, living fast, dying young. It's barely 60 years since we found it, and yet it feels eternal. Shrouded in thick clouds, NGC 2566 hides its secrets well. But Webb sees through the dust. And what lies beneath is the raw, unfiltered chaos of creation. What happens when 5 galaxies crash into each other? You get Stephan's Quintet, a cosmic ballet of gravity, shockwaves, black holes, and baby stars being born from the destruction. And finally, NGC 1333, a living nebula deep inside the Perseus cloud. Stars are forming here every day, in a wild, colorful storm of gas and dust, like watching the universe give birth. These aren't just pictures. They're windows into time, echoes of galaxies that lived and died before we were ever born, captured by the most powerful eye we've ever built. And we've only just begun.